What's up everyone, today I've got another clean budget PC that handles 1080p gaming at a low price. Let me break down the parts real quick and comment below if you'd build the same way. We're starting off with a simple B550 board from MSI, nothing too fancy, just solid and reliable. Next up, the Ryzen 5 5600, 6 cores, 12 threads, and still one of the best budget CPUs for gaming. Since 16GB is starting to fall behind, we're going to step up to the 32GB Corsair Vengeance LPX clocked at 3200MHz, perfect for multitasking and a bit more for future-proofing. Storage is handled by a Western Digital Blue SN580 1TB, Gen 4 speeds, fast boot times, and a good amount of space. Cooling our CPU is none other than the ID Cooling SE214XT, easily one of the best budget air coolers out there. For the case, we've got the Montec XR, clean design, great airflow, and it already comes with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans. Powering everything is the TRC Piva Prestige 600W 80+ gold power supply. And the star of the show is the RTX 4060 by PNY. Looking really clean in my opinion. And that concludes it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.